The U.S. Patent and Trademark Office has unveiled its new fee schedule. This is a critical update for every business and inventor navigating the intellectual property landscape. Let's immediately look at what the PTO fee schedule changes mean for you. These adjustments impact the cost of securing and maintaining your patents, demanding immediate strategic adjustments to your IP budget and filing habits. The structure itself has changed, impacting various stages of the patent process. Expect increased costs for both application filing and subsequent examination fees. This necessitates a more prepared and comprehensive application from the start to minimize revisions. A key takeaway is the differentiated pricing for large, small, and micro entities. Understanding which category you fall into is crucial for significant cost savings. With these new fees, smart filing strategies are more important than ever. Prioritize filing provisional applications strategically. This allows you to secure an early filing date and defer the more expensive non-provisional filing fees while you prepare your full application. If you qualify as a micro-entity, you can take advantage of the steepest fee reductions. Make sure you meet all the requirements to utilize this benefit fully. It's not just the initial filing that's changing. Ongoing costs are also affected. Maintenance fees, required to keep your patents in force at the 3.5, 7.5, and 11.5 year marks, have also seen increases. This raises the overall cost of ownership. Factoring these elevated maintenance fees into your long-term budget planning is essential for sustaining your entire patent portfolio without unexpected financial strain. To wrap up, here are the most critical takeaways for the IP community. The most critical changes involve higher initial application fees and increased long-term maintenance costs. Strategic planning around entity status and filing timing is paramount. Consult with your IP counsel immediately to review your current portfolio and develop a filing strategy that accounts for the new fee schedule and leverages all possible cost savings.